In addressing that, I'm proud to introduce, of course, we want to change your loading experience, and I'm proud to introduce to you the Empower SIM, powered by Smart Communication. Okay, ano ba meron tong Smart SIM or Empower SIM? First, I'd like to show you, we took a screenshot of a phone na ginamit namin yung Empower SIM. Now, some of the Empower SIM that we have right now, wala pa ng menu. Alright? You can download it later. You have to wait for our advisory, and we will tell you how to download the menu. It's via over the air. However, we were given a sample of the Empower SIM and how it will look like kapag pinasok niyo yung SIM. So, you have that the screen na tayo, no? You select Smart, and then the next, for the customized menu, the next will be, you will see now in the choices of Smart menu, you have the Pasa Load, International Roaming. At the bottom, you see Load Extreme. And when you select Load Extreme, you will see all the menus available to you. The loading transaction, the resending of ePIN or the prepaid card product, transfer V-Wallet, which we are now developing, inquire balance, and if you're still using the bank or depositing to banks for reloading your Load Extreme account, you still have the option for Notify Reload. Register your new cell in case mawala yung cell niya, and change address. This SIM has a special gateway or short code. Tawag ng iba, vanity number. It's a 4-digit number. Hindi ko muna sasabihin sa inyo kung ano. I'm not allowed to tell you until we finalize. But I already know the number. Don't tempt me. But this gateway, of course, it's dedicated. Dapat lang makakagamit nito lahat ng Smart. Gagamit ng Empower SIM. What you will experience is a reliable gateway. Faster, sigurado nakakarating yung message nyo. And it's almost seamless because you don't have to type the 4-digit number. When you use the load, it's automatically sent to this 4-digit number. Wow. So you don't have to type the number. You don't have to memorize it even. And of course, that's the first version of the SIM. We can develop the SIM as we progress in the business. If Smart Communications will be satisfied with the volume, with the take up of the SIMs, then we can give you the next generation SIM. Of course, you want a cost-free transaction. You want it free all the time. Kung ilang million na request namin na nakuha yan sa email. And nakita nyo merong sagot kami. May asterisk. Because you'll be glad. It is related. It is possible. But it is related to the special and exclusive prepaid products by Smart Communications for V-Mobile subscribers. Exclusive. Parang hindi kayo masaya. Let me give you let me further explain. Mas maganda Tagalog.
Yes.
Si Smart gagawa ng exclusive product para sa V-Mobile subscriber lang. Prepaid, of course, prepaid. And let me just give you an example. Ano ba exciting sa mga product na prepaid? Sample, unlimited texting, right?
Internet.
What if may unlimited texting for 30 days? Di ba maganda yun? Hindi ko lang sinasabi sa inyo kung magkano. But definitely, we are working on it. Once it's final, you cannot buy this from stores. You cannot buy this from other retailers. And by the way, we don't offer discounts for this product. You know why? Because you're not supposed to sell it. It's for your consumption. So you see,